Imagine this. You're sitting at your computer, playing a hyper-realistic video game. Every detail is flawless. The trees sway in the wind. The characters feel alive. The world seems limitless. But what if I told you this isn't just a game? What if you were the character, and your entire life is part of someone else's simulation? It sounds like a plot twist from The Matrix, but it's not just science fiction. Today, we're diving into one of the most mind-bending ideas ever proposed, the simulation theory. Stay with me, because by the end of this video, you might question the very fabric of your reality. Let's start with the basics. The simulation theory suggests that our universe, everything we see, touch, and feel, might be a computer-generated simulation. It's an idea that gained traction thanks to philosopher Bostrom, who proposed that if civilizations continue to advance technologically, they will eventually create simulations so sophisticated that the simulated beings inside them wouldn't even know they were in a simulation. Think about it. We already create highly advanced simulations, from virtual reality games to AI-driven environments. As technology evolves, what's stopping us, or some other civilization, from creating an entire universe? Now let's talk about the science that gives weight to this theory. First, there's the pixel-like nature of our universe. Physicists have discovered that space and time are not infinitely divisible. They're made up of the smallest measurable units, like pixels in a video game. Could this suggest that our reality is programmed, just like a digital screen? Then there's quantum physics, where particles behave differently when they are observed. It's as if the universe only renders reality when someone is looking. This behavior is eerily similar to how graphics in a video game load only when the player approaches them. And here's another twist. Renowned physicist James Gates found computer-like error-correcting codes embedded in the equations of string theory, codes that look suspiciously like those used in modern computer software. Why would these codes exist if the universe weren't, in some way, programmed? This idea isn't new to us. Movies like The Matrix have explored it in captivating ways, showing us a world where humans unknowingly live inside a simulated reality. Elon Musk has famously said there's a 1 in billions chance that we are not living in a simulation. According to Musk, the rapid progression of technology makes it almost inevitable that civilizations eventually create indistinguishable virtual realities. And it's not just science fiction or tech billionaires. Ancient philosophers like Plato speculated about a similar idea with his Allegory of the cave, suggesting that what we perceive might just be shadows of a greater reality. Could simulation theory be the modern evolution of these ancient ideas? But here's where things get even more interesting. If this theory is true, then who or what is running the simulation? Are we an experiment, a form of entertainment, or something beyond human comprehension? And what about free will? If our actions are determined by the programming of this simulation, do we truly have control over our lives? Some argue that this idea diminishes the meaning of existence, but others say it enhances it. If we're in a simulation, perhaps our purpose isn't about the material world at all, but about the experiences and connections we create within it. So, is the universe a simulation? The truth is, we don't know. But this theory challenges us to look at reality in a completely new way. What if everything you know, the stars in the sky, the ground beneath your feet, even your own memories, is part of a complex, programmed design? Maybe the more important question isn't whether we're in a simulation, but how we choose to live knowing this might be true. Thank you for watching, and let me know in the comments. Do you think we're living in a simulation, or is this just another fascinating theory? Don't forget to like, subscribe, and join me on this journey into the unknown, because sometimes the greatest mysteries are hidden in plain sight.